burns like a stone, heavy in the throat and bone. Every word I swallowed whole left an echo in my soul. All the truths I locked away, all the things I feared to say, built a storm behind my breath, living somewhere near my chest. But the diamonds are breaking open, every whisper turns to roar. What was buried in the shadows wants to live forevermore. This is the sound of my soul tonight, breaking free in waves of light. Every word I try to hide now becomes a rising tide. From the silence I once knew, now my voice is breaking through. Every truth inside of me is the song that sets me free. I was taught to hold it in, hide the truth beneath my skin. But the truth is wild and bright, like a star that burns the night. Every story in my veins, every joy and every pain turns to music when it starts rising from the throat. And now the sky inside me opens like a bell that starts to ring, and the voice I try to bury learns at last to sing. This is the sound of my soul tonight, breaking free in waves of light. Every word I try to hide now becomes a rising tide. From the silence I once knew, now my voice is breaking through. Every truth inside of me is a song that sets me free. Breath becomes a river, voice becomes the flame, truth becomes the thunder calling out my name. This is the sound of my soul tonight, clear as crystal, burning bright. Every silence I survive turns to power in my life. From the depths where shadows grow, now the sky is breaking through. Every truth inside of me is the song that sets me free. Speak the truth, let it flow, let the hidden rivers go. Breathe and sound, wild and whole, this is the voice